Towing a caravan for the first time can feel like a big step, and if I'm being honest, it's one of the things that makes most beginners feel the most nervous. And I completely understand that because I remember my first time clearly. You're sitting in the driver's seat, you've got this caravan behind you, and suddenly everything feels different. The vehicle feels heavier, your awareness changes, and you start thinking about things you never had to think about before. And that's exactly why this video is so important, because once you understand how to tow properly, everything becomes a lot more comfortable, a lot more controlled, and a lot more enjoyable. So what I'm going to do is walk you through this step by step in a simple, practical way so you can build confidence without feeling overwhelmed. Now let's start with the most important thing, your mindset, because towing a caravan is not about being perfect, it's about being aware. I remember early on thinking I needed to get everything exactly right, every turn, every movement, every decision. But what I realized is that towing is about staying calm, staying aware, and making small controlled adjustments. Now, before you even start driving, there's something you need to get right, and that's your setup, because a good towing experience starts before you even move. I remember the first time I properly understood this, checking everything before setting off and realizing how much more confident I felt knowing everything was set up correctly. So here's what you want to check. First, your hitch connection. Make sure your caravan is properly connected to your vehicle, secure, locked, and ready. Second, your safety chains. These should be properly attached and secure. Third, your electrical connection. Make sure your lights, indicators, and brake lights are all working properly. And fourth, your load. Make sure everything inside your caravan is secure and balanced, because if your load is uneven, it can affect how your caravan tows. Now, once you've checked these basics, you're already setting yourself up for a much better experience. Now, let's talk about something that makes a huge difference, and that's how your vehicle feels when towing. Because when you start driving, you'll notice the difference straight away. Acceleration is slower, braking takes longer, turning feels wider, and that's completely normal. I remember the first time I pulled out onto the road being very aware of everything, and that's exactly how it should feel, because awareness is what keeps you in control. Now, here's something important. Don't rush into busy roads straight away. Start somewhere simple, quiet streets, low traffic areas. Give yourself time to get used to how everything feels, because once you're comfortable in a simple environment, you'll naturally feel more confident in more complex situations. Now let's talk about speed, because this is one of the biggest adjustments when towing. You're not driving the same way you would without a caravan. You're driving more smoothly, more gradually, more controlled. I remember learning this early on, that smooth driving makes everything easier. Smooth acceleration, smooth braking, smooth steering. Because sudden movements can make the caravan react in ways you don't want. So keep everything steady. Now let's talk about distance. When you're towing, you need more space. More space to stop, more space to react. And this is something you need to get used to, because the extra weight changes how your vehicle behaves. So always give yourself more room than you think you need. Now here's the key idea for this whole first part. Towing a caravan is not about doing anything complicated. It's about doing simple things properly. And once you understand that, everything becomes much easier. Now that you've got a good understanding of your mindset, your setup, and how your vehicle feels when towing, let's move into something that really makes a difference. And that's how you actually drive when you've got a caravan behind you, because this is where a lot of beginners start to feel unsure. I remember my first few drives constantly checking mirrors, being very aware of every movement, and thinking about things I'd never thought about before, and that's completely normal because towing changes the way you drive. So let's break this down into simple, practical steps. First, let's talk about turning. This is one of the biggest adjustments when towing a caravan because your caravan follows a different path to your vehicle. When you turn, the caravan cuts in closer to the corner, and this is something you need to be aware of. I remember learning this the first time I took a tighter turn and realizing I needed to give myself more space. So here's the simple approach: take wider turns. Give yourself more room than you think you need, because once you do that, everything becomes much easier. Now let's talk about braking. This is another area where you need to adjust your driving because your stopping distance is longer when towing. You've got more weight, more momentum, and that means you need more time to slow down. I remember learning this early on, starting to brake earlier and realizing how much smoother everything felt. So don't wait until the last moment. Plan ahead, brake gently and early. Now let's talk about accelerating. Just like braking, acceleration should be smooth and gradual. You don't want sudden bursts of speed. I remember noticing that smooth acceleration made towing feel much more stable. So take your time building speed. There's no rush. Now let's talk about mirrors, because your mirrors are your best friend when towing. You should be checking them regularly, not constantly in a stressful way, but consistently in a calm, controlled way. I remember developing this habit over time, checking mirrors, being aware of what's behind me, and feeling much more in control. Now, here's something important: stay in your lane. Sounds simple, but when you're towing, your awareness of lane position becomes more important because your caravan takes up more space. So give yourself room, stay centered, and avoid unnecessary movements. Now let's talk about overtaking. And this is something you should approach carefully, especially as a beginner, because overtaking requires planning, space, and confidence. I remember avoiding overtaking early on until I felt comfortable. And that's completely fine. There's no pressure to rush into it. Now let's talk about wind, because this is something that can affect your towing more than you might expect. Passing trucks, crosswinds, open roads, you might feel the caravan move slightly. And the key here is not to panic. Stay calm, keep your steering steady, and let things settle. I remember experiencing this for the first time and realizing that staying calm made all the difference. Now let's talk about hills, because towing uphill and downhill requires a bit more awareness. Going uphill, your vehicle will work harder, so maintain steady speed, don't push too hard. Going downhill, you want to control your speed. Use engine braking where possible and avoid riding your brakes. I remember learning this and feeling much more in control on longer trips. Now here's the key idea from all of this. Towing is about smooth, controlled driving, not fast, not aggressive, just steady and aware. And once you focus on that, everything becomes much easier. Because you're not fighting the caravan, you're working with it. Now that you understand how to drive, control, and manage your caravan on the road, this is where things really start to come together, because we're going to talk about real-world situations, the things you'll actually experience, and how to handle them with confidence. Because this is where most beginners start to feel unsure, not on a quiet road, but in situations where there are more variables. And I remember this stage clearly. The first time merging onto a busier road, the first time dealing with traffic, the first time pulling into a fuel station. These are the moments where you start to think a bit more. But here's the key. Once you understand how to approach these situations, they become much easier. So let's start with merging. When you're merging with a caravan, the biggest thing to remember is that you need more time and more space. Your acceleration is slower, so you want to plan ahead. I remember approaching my first merge and giving myself more space than I normally would, and that made everything feel controlled. So don't rush it. Wait for a safe gap, build your speed gradually, and merge smoothly. Now let's talk about roundabouts. And this is something that can feel a bit intimidating at first because you need to think about your space, your positioning, and your timing. But the approach is simple. Take your time, choose your lane carefully, and make your movements smooth. I remember slowing things down at roundabouts and realizing that it gave me much more control. Now let's talk about fuel stations because this is something that catches a lot of beginners off guard. Not every fuel station is easy to access with a caravan. I remember pulling into one early on and realizing it was a bit tighter than expected. And that's when I learned to plan ahead. Look for stations with easy access, wider spaces, and clear entry and exit points, because choosing the right place makes everything easier. Now let's talk about parking. And this is where things connect back to reversing, because when you're out on the road, you'll often need to think about where and how you're going to park. And here's the key idea: always think ahead. Don't just pull into a space because it's available. Think about how you're going to get out. I remember learning this the hard way once, pulling into a spot that seemed fine and then realizing getting out was more difficult than expected. So now I always think ahead. Now, let's talk about rest stops because taking breaks is important when you're towing. It gives you a chance to reset, check everything, and stay fresh. I remember noticing how much better I felt after taking regular breaks instead of trying to push through. So, plan your stops, take your time. Now, let's talk about something that really matters: staying calm under pressure, because there will be moments where things feel a bit more challenging: traffic, tight spaces, unexpected situations. And the key here is not to panic. I remember having moments like this early on, and what made the biggest difference was staying calm, slowing down, and thinking things through, because when you stay calm, you stay in control. Now let's talk about confidence again, because by this stage, once you've experienced these situations a few times, something starts to change. You're no longer overthinking every step. You're starting to trust yourself. And that's when towing becomes something you can actually enjoy, because you're not focused on what could go wrong. You're focused on what you're doing. Now, here's something important. Every experienced caravaner you see has been through this stage. They've had those first moments of uncertainty. They've learned through experience. And that's exactly what you're doing. Now, let's talk about something simple but powerful: awareness. Because awareness is what ties everything together. Being aware of your surroundings, being aware of your speed, being aware of your space. And once you develop that awareness, everything becomes smoother because you're not reacting, you're anticipating. And that's what makes towing feel controlled. And once you get to that point, everything becomes a lot more enjoyable. Now, as we bring everything together, I want to focus on something that really matters, and that's how you feel behind the wheel, because at the beginning, towing a caravan can feel like a big step, but over time, it becomes something that feels completely natural. I remember my first proper trip towing, being very aware of everything, checking mirrors constantly, thinking about every turn, every movement, every decision, and that's exactly how it should feel at the start, because you're learning. But then something changes. You start to understand how the caravan moves. You start to feel more in control. You stop overthinking every small detail. And that's when confidence starts to build. Now, here's the important part. Confidence doesn't come from getting everything perfect. It comes from doing. Every drive builds it. Every situation teaches you something. Every small adjustment improves your understanding. And before you know it, the thing that once felt difficult starts to feel normal. Now let's quickly go over the key points again. Start with your setup. Make sure everything is connected properly. Understand how your vehicle behaves when towing. Drive smoothly, not aggressively, take wider turns, brake earlier, accelerate gradually, use your mirrors, stay aware of your space, plan ahead in real-world situations, and most importantly, stay calm, because staying calm is what keeps everything under control. Now, here's something I want you to remember. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware, because awareness is what keeps you safe. Now, let's talk about mindset one more time. If you approach towing with fear, it will feel difficult. But if you approach it as a skill you're learning, something that improves with time, it becomes much easier because you remove the pressure. Now, here's the best part. Once you get comfortable with towing, it opens everything up. You're no longer limited. You can travel where you want, when you want, with confidence. And that's what caravanning is really about. Freedom, flexibility, experience. I still remember the moment where towing stopped feeling stressful and started feeling enjoyable. And that's the moment you're working towards. Now, if you're just starting out, keep things simple. Take your time, practice in safe environments, and build your confidence step by step. Because once you do that, everything becomes easier. And if you want more simple, practical caravanning advice like this, make sure you hit subscribe, because I'll be helping you every step of the way.